Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one is a Galaxy Blue Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, a black MB Tex interior with a spiral look trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, GLB 250 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a 10.25-inch instrument cluster, and media display, touchscreen media display, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, MBUX, which stands for Mercedes-Benz User Experience. You're able to give it voice commands by saying,
"How can I help?"
"Hey, my Mercedes."
I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
Change ambient light to green.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Simple as that. You're able to use it as a smart device, hands-free. Dual climate controls, USB ports, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLB has 6,856 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLB 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.